ZROADZ all-new multi-LED roof-mounted light bar for the new Ford Bronco is the easiest bolt-on solution for bolting on auxiliary LED lighting to the front of your Ford Bronco. The new multi-LED bar is constructed of a heavy-gauge 1.5-inch steel crossbar and heavy-gauge steel laser-cut brackets and mounting platforms. The multi-LED bar is unique from most Bronco roof bars in the way it covers the factory Ford accessory threaded studs for an OEM finished look. CAD designed from factory data, the multi-LED roof light bar is designed for a perfect fit every time and comes in a low-gloss textured black powder coat finish for rugged, long-lasting good looks. The multi-LED roof light bar comes in kits of all white 3-inch LED pod lights, white amber combo, or like most ZROADZ light bars, the multi-LED roof bar is available by itself, designed to fit most popular aftermarket light brands. So for an easy to install rugged roof mounted solution for additional forward facing auxiliary lighting for your 2 or 4 door Bronco, check out the all new ZROADZ multi-LED roof light bar.